Okay? Mike lost his. So Mike, I'm printing you one of those. When we get there, remind me to print it. No. Maybe I took it. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the final four of the next 16 grouping of the 2019 Starmach Pan Asian Drone Racing Exhibition. This is for the podium of our next grouping. Good luck, pilots. It's a one-and-done race. Whole shot rule in play. Let's not do that. Let's get real on a Saturday afternoon. Prizes from GemFan, TBS, T-Motor, and many, many more at this Starmach event. This group, we're top 32 from 83 pilots from 11 different countries. They qualified high and are finishing strong inside the top 20. First in this race will be 17th overall. Second will be 18th overall. Third will be 19th overall. Fourth will be 20th overall. Why do we do this? Because if we did all top 32, most of these pilots in this grouping wouldn't have made it to the championship. They'd have been eliminated early. We want to recognize the future superstars of drone racing. This was not their event this time. Some of them are brand new. It's their first event. Some of them are just campaigning to keep it real and represent their country. And it comes down to this. To hit our first podium at Championship Saturday, pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone in less than 5.
开始。